Well, I would say there are two things. One is we're completely focused on our clients' needs, which you may think is just a normal thing, but actually, you know, I would say it's particularly important in this environment for a foreigner wanting to build in Spain, where the law is different, where the business culture is different. For them to have a company that is totally focused on their needs is very important, not just a little bit important, but crucial. The second thing which is different about us is that everything we do is energy efficient. All the houses we design and build are energy efficient. We don't even discuss it with our clients. It's standard with us.
To me, it's design spaces, design houses to get everything to flow in a natural way. So and be comfortable. So my main concern is to get the house well orientated, to have it comfortable in the summer, comfortable in the winter, and with the less energy consumption as possible. But overall is to get the clients what they want.
We make houses for people, for families. We don't think about a luxury houses.
Love to design something that is beautiful but also practical. Eco Vida Homes has three heads. John is the marketing director. He deals with the clients, with the website, with all the media, and he's the one to be in contact with the clients. Fran is the contractor. Fran to have somebody on the building. So Fran is the one that deals with all the problems with the materials, with the orders of the changes in the site. So he deals with the construction. And then myself, Alba, and Ivan, we are in the office designing, preparing the bills of quantities, which is very important for the projects, and developing all the drawings, all the technical drawings for the project.
I have to talk to the clients and set their expectations. So it makes my life very easy when I know that I have your complete support. If I say we're going to do something, I know that you're going to be able to do it. And that really makes my life much easier, and you know, I don't have to make any exaggerated claims or try to persuade people. We just have to help people in a genuine way and to protect them from the dangers of building in Spain.
I think the best thing working for Eco Vida Homes is the challenge of meeting different clients from all around the world, with different projects, different plots, different things to solve, and that's just every project becomes a real challenge.
We have got different clients, different projects, and we are building a very singular project.
The best is to improve, to learn day or day.
For me, the most interesting to work in Eco Vida Homes is to have the possibility to know different people with different requirements and to improve, to achieve the meta.
Let's try to get the perfect house, the comfort house for your clients, for them to live the best they can with the least energy consumption. If you work in something that you do not believe in, your work is something without soul, without meaning.
I love when I go to the building on site. There is a problem. The team puts all the opinions and find the best solutions.
We don't have a big enterprise. We have a family enterprise.
We are a very, very good team. We are very friendly, and we are very friendly with the client too.
I think what we do what we has always been doing is to design and build houses for persons.
Well, first of all, it means for our clients a better way of living means a more comfortable home and an energy efficient home. But more than that, it means a better way of living for us as part of the team, because that's one of the reasons for setting up the business, is so that you and me and everyone here in the team of Eco Vida Homes, that we also can have a better way of living, because we know that we're making a significant contribution to society. We're paying our taxes, we've got very grateful clients, and we've got a strong spiritual mission.